Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a journal that I've made that I wanted to bring to show you. It's Cute Farm Animals and it has 44 pages total. I've left the front very cute little donkey there and just the trim round, and I've done elastic banders to hold it together. On the back is a pocket which has got tabs in it, which I think is very sweet. Right, let's get into it. Again, another one I had great fun putting together. This page, on the first page, I've literally filled it with the giant tags, and they're all there. You can journal on all of them. I've left them like that. A cute little piggy. It's got tabs throughout as well, little tabs there. Lots of ephemera, lots of bits and pieces. I'd be here for hours if I took it all out. So I'll try and do the best I can. Belly band there, you've got a little bunting bit there. Another little bunting bit there. Lots of little bits of pictures, ephemera, mini tabs, pockets, all sorts. Look at that little cow. Little side bit there. Plenty of journaling space in. I didn't want to cover up the pictures because I think they're so cute. As I say, it's a lot of writing space. There's a lot of plain pages here that anybody can add their own pieces to. Sometimes I think it's nice to add your own little bits and pieces to it, and if you've got it too full, people can't do that. Another little side bit tuck there where I've tucked some little ephemera in. Again here. They're so cute. Belly bar there with tabs in. Absolutely love it. Look at that little lamb. Isn't that gorgeous? More writing space. Lots of writing space. More tags. All sorts. And just tuck them in there. I mean, these little bits of ephemera you can tuck in here wherever you want to. I just left them there because I thought they were so cute. Excuse my printer, printing away in the background there. Even these little tags, look, there's lots of them. I've used up as much of the ephemera as I could, which I'm really pleased about. Look at that, isn't that cute? You can fill it in, do as you want. I've tried to do it so you've got plenty to journal on, you've got plenty to stick pieces of paper on, photographs on. I think they are beautiful. I love this donkey one, I really do think he's cute. The donkey card there as well. There's plenty in here to work on. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments section, whether you like it or you don't, whichever, I don't mind. Constructive criticism is always welcome, as long as you're not rude or plenty of journaling spaces. I've got a pocket on the inside there, which I've just done with the different lace, just for something different, and tabs there, tags there, different ones. And then the lace across the bottom, and then it just shuts closed. You've got the ones on the back page as well. I love it. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the way it's turned out. Let me know what you think. This will be up for sale. If anyone is interested, please let me know. Okay, guys, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.